Just released my game. I'm searching everywhere for some ideas. Wait, you released your game? You want to show your game, bro? Great stream. Thank you, Christopher. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. You want to show your game, bro? I can check it out right now. I have a little bit more time before I have to go. He has a demo, though. I do have a demo, too. You know, you're so wrong. Cakez TD. Cakez TD on Steam. I have a demo version, too. You see this? Download the Cakez TD demo. It's just old. The time for ideas is before releasing a game, usually, yeah. Sure. Weko the Mask Gatherer. That's your game? Let's see. So, we have someone in chat that made a game, guys. It is called Weko the Mask Gatherer, and he's looking for ideas, he says. It came out July 26th and currently has 34 positive reviews. It's not so many reviews, but it's also not that bad. So the first thing I see is quite not difficult. How do you say that? The first thing I see here is that it's quite expensive. I don't know, how long did you work on the game? We are 3 developers. You're 3 developers. Okay, how long did you work on this game? It is an action-adventure, action RPG, and exploration game. Let's watch the trailer. Let's see here. So what is the game about? You know what this reminds me about? A little bit of Palworld. Just a tiny bit, but maybe you don't collect Pokemons here. Okay. Wow, looks kind of nice. Okay. It's more cartoonish. What is this? Feels like a mix between Dark Souls and Pokemon or something. Or Creature Collection. The nice level polish looks good. Yeah, it does look good. You're right. Okay, so this is the game. Very nice intro too. It was our first project next to our job. 4 years. Yeah, it's a long time. Yeah, your first project is supposed to take a long time, or will take a long time. Alright, let's see. Weko evoked memories of older games on the PlayStation or Nintendo 64 from a long time ago. It was engaging puzzles. It has engaging puzzles and fascinating story. So this guy played for 8 hours. This guy played for 23 hours. This guy played for 19. You guys have quite high play numbers. That's good. I don't know what your play numbers show up on your Steam stats, but this looks nice. Like, I don't see anyone that has below an hour playtime right now. Even this guy who doesn't recommend the game has played for 2.5 hours, 2.6. Rating 5 out of 5 of 5.5 out of 10. Decent. A decent cozy action adventure game that falls short in many areas when it comes to gameplay. Quests are repetitive, puzzles are too simple, and the lack of an in-game map is quite frustrating. And overall easy basic combat detracts from the fun. In my opinion, there's a stark contrast between the graphics and the dullness of the mechanics. I can see where this title is taking its inspiration from, but Zelda is all about gameplay. For me, the same price can play similar games that are way better. Are you listening to the feedback you get from this? From this guy, for example? Do you agree with what he's saying? That the quests are repetitive? Yeah, always. That's a good thing. So are you trying to... So what that's the first thing. Let's read a bit more. It's unpolished and unfun. There really isn't much to say. The combat is barest minimum hack and slash, and you'll be sitting there for 30 seconds wailing on even the weakest damage sponge, while they do nothing but wait to die. So it looks like to me you gotta maybe make the combat a little bit better, more interactive and fun, Maybe you could take a look at Dark Souls a little bit, how they do that. Because the game reminded me of Dark Souls. Like, Palworld did that too. Palworld reminded me of Dark Souls a lot. And their combat was really fun. So maybe you can go in that direction. You know, Dark Souls doesn't have to be, or a game that feels like Dark Souls doesn't have to have the same setting as Dark Souls. Maybe you can work on that. There's like really cool ways where in Dark Souls they take your position, your status, and overall the player character into account on which certain actions happen when, you know, monsters attack. That makes it a very engaging combat experience. One of the best, essentially. Actually, in my opinion, it is the best combat experience out there. It's very rewarding when you learn. The problem was players with high expectations. Too easy, too simple, and for players coming from a Zelda expectation, more cozy, were very happy. But wouldn't you agree that Palworld is also very cozy? Palworld is very cozy, and if you play Palworld alone, it's actually really difficult to evade the monsters. So I think you can get it both ways. It's about fine-tuning. Yeah, true. And so, Palworld has similar stuff. Browse all 77 reviews. Guys, Cakez 77. Misleading game. This guy is still played. You have very high playtime. I think if you fix these minuscule issues, I think you're onto something here. The playtime is very high on all of these. Like, I've not seen a single one that is below 1 hour. They're all... Oh, this one, the first one. As a fan of Zelda, I really wanted to enjoy this game. Even create a Steam account just to play it. I cannot recommend it in the current stage. It lacks polish with lots of small issues and missing features. I think you can keep going and polish the game. I think we missed something on marketing. No, dude. No, you don't. You don't. Take a look at... You don't have to watch my video for it. I'll link you a video. Please take a look at the video. And don't... take a look at the video. I'll link it to you. And whether that's my video, like, you should maybe not watch my video, but it's also a good thing to watch these two videos. So essentially this is one video. This is mine, but you should probably watch this guy's video here. No, wait, wrong. Sorry, wrong video. Sorry, I'm wrong. How Steam visibility works. Where's this? How Steam visibility works. Where's the Steam visibility video? Don't listen to Cakez? No, I'm not telling him to listen to me. I'm telling him, there you go. This is the video that you should watch. You don't have to watch my video. The original video is the important one. You can... And you can take... You can take this video. And I'm linking it to YouTube too. You can take this video to research what you should do for your next big patch. This guy will tell you that you have not lost. Excuse me. You have not lost your opportunity to make your game great. Make another patch and then market that patch better. But watch the video and then come up with your own stuff. With your own idea of what to do. This one's really good. You have not lost your opportunity at all.